2725, 5711, 2680, 68. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, do me a favor. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Monday, May the 12th, 2025. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.